Okay, in this video I'm going to discuss about the probability for mx. Okay, this is I think it's from 5 like chapter 6 or 7. Yeah, it's about the probability for mx. Okay, before I start, let me give you all some basics about the probability. Okay, this is for probability. Okay, for probability you need to know some basic information about the probability. Let's say probability for A. Okay, the probability value will always between 0 and 1. Okay, when you got the probability is 0, means what? Means that things will never happen. When you get the things is 1, means what? Means the things must happen. Alright, for example, if you throw a dice. Okay, throw a dice, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Am I right? Alright. So I ask you to find the probability to get the 7. Is it possible if you throw a dice you will got the 7? It's not possible, right? If not possible, means the probability is 0. Okay. And then if I say I want to get the probabilities of number. So no matter how I toss the dice, I can get number. So the probability is 1. Alright. For example, I want to get the probabilities of even number. Then this one you have to calculate. This is the number for even number divided by number of sample space. Sample space means something like total. So number of even number, how many even number here? 1, 2, 3. 3. Sample space always mean total. Means total you got how many number for the whole thing? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the probability is 1 over 2. Okay, this is some very simple, very basics about the probability. Okay, however, in mx we're going to learn something deeper. Okay, before we go into something deeper, okay, let me discuss a little bit on tree diagram. Okay, for example, now I got two persons. I got John and Alex. Okay, let's say they are playing chess. Okay, both of them playing chess. Okay, the probability that if they play 10 games, the probability that John will win will be let's say 4 over 7. And then the probability that probability that Alex will win will be maybe 1 over 6. Alright. Okay, because this is the probability that Alex will win. This is the probability that John will win. However, there are still the possibility both of them will get drawn. Okay? Okay, so if you want to draw a tree diagram, what you need to do is you always need to divide. For example, this one is when John win. Okay, this one is when John lose. Okay, so if the probability for John will win is 4 over 7, so the probability for John will lose will be 1 minus 4 over 7, which is 3 over 7. So you always can double check the tree diagram is plus together you will get 1. Okay, so same thing happens to the Alex. Probability for Alex will win will be 1 over 6. And then the probability for Alex will lose will be 5 over 6. Because just you 1 minus 1 over 6. And then you do the same thing. You repeat this one over here. This is what happens when we do tree diagram. Alright, but then this is just a random example. Okay, in order not to waste time, we will straight away go to some past year questions. So I hope the past year question can give you some idea about probability. Alright. Okay, if you still feel very confused about probability, maybe you can go and check out my max video for probability, because probability in mathematics is a little bit simple. However, in mx it's not really hard, but then you need to understand about how to use tree diagram. Then I think you can solve almost all of the questions. Okay, for example, in this example, The probabilities of Sarah being chosen as a school prefect is 3/5. So now I got the probability that Sarah will choose as a school prefect will be 3/5. While the probability that Annie, okay, I just write a short form A for Aini. Okay, probability that the Aini will being chosen is 7/12. Alright. Okay, this one is for Sarah, this one for Aini. Alright. Now, if probability for Sarah will being chosen is 3/5. So if Sarah will not be chosen, so I put a complement stamp for not be chosen will be 1 minus 3/5, which is 2/5. You just sum them together, you got 1. So same thing for Aini. If for Aini will not being chosen will be 5/12. Just use 1 minus the whole thing, you got this one. Alright, now I got this basic information. Now, the question asks me to find the probability that neither of them is chosen as a school prefect. What is the meaning by neither of them? Neither of them means both of them are not chosen. Alright, so when both of them are not chosen means Sarah will not be chosen and same to the Aini will not be chosen. Alright, so from here if you can understand, then actually both of these I can straight away multiple. However, in this video I'm going to teach you how to draw tree diagram. Okay, first here I will draw for Sarah, and then here I will draw for Aini. Alright, then I start from, okay, only two possibilities for Sarah. One is being chosen. Alright, as being chosen is 3/5. Not being chosen is 2/5. This is for Sarah. Alright, and then I'm going to draw again 2 division for Aini. Okay, why I need to draw like this? Because, okay, let me label all of this, then I'll explain. Okay, Aini being chosen, Aini not being chosen, Aini being chosen, Aini not being chosen. Okay, because the condition can happen is when Sarah being chosen, but then Aini being chosen also. So you go this way. But when Sarah being chosen, it is the possibility that Aini will not being chosen. So you go this way. So if Sarah not being chosen, but then Aini can be chosen, you go this way. If Sarah not being chosen, and Aini also not being chosen, you go this way. This one multiple this one. So you have to repeat. So normally for the second part, we always repeat. Alright, so you can find this one is exactly the same with this one. Okay, we draw 2 division over here is because there's a possibility, the same possibility that will happen over here is for Sarah not being chosen. Okay, maybe you still feel a little bit confused, but just let me finish this one and then I'll explain more. Alright, so for Aini being chosen is 7/5, not being chosen is 7/12, sorry. Not being chosen will be 5/12. So the probability over here is exactly same as here. Being chosen is 7/12, not being chosen will be 5/12. Alright, and then the way we use tree diagram is when you go from this way, move to this way is multiple. Mean this one multiple this one. 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 However, from top to bottom, we will sum them up. Okay, but then you just need to memorize about the multiple because you're going to use it more. Okay, for A. So neither of them is being chosen. Means Sarah is not being chosen and Aini is not being chosen. So probability for neither of them will be 2/5 multiple. This one not being chosen, 5/12. Okay, you might ask the question, why can't I choose over here? Because if you choose the top part, is Sarah already being chosen? No matter you choose Aini or not choose Aini, it doesn't matter because Sarah is being chosen means is not fulfill the first condition in A because neither of them is student. So both of them cannot be student. So you only can get Sarah cannot and Aini also cannot. Alright? Okay, when you've done the first part, you're going to done the second part. Okay. Only one of them is student as a school prefect. What is the meaning by only one of them? Means what? Means is I choose Sarah over here. Okay, then I cannot choose Aini. So Aini is not being chosen. So if I didn't choose Sarah over here, then I have to choose Aini. This one means one of them. And then both of this one we plus together because this is two different cases. So we plus together. Alright. So, alright, let me take a new paper. Okay. And then we draw a tree diagram again. Okay. Okay. You might ask, can I draw Aini first? Yes, you can draw Aini first. It doesn't matter. You got the same answer. So this time I'm going to draw Aini first. So this one, Aini being children, Aini not being children. And then I say here, if I draw Aini here, here I will repeat Sarah being children, Sarah not being children, Sarah being children, Sarah not being children. And then I got all the probability over here. For Aini being children will be 7 over 12. Not being children will be 5 over 12. Same to Sarah. Sarah being children is 3 over 5. Not being children is 2 over 5. So I'm going to repeat this one, 3 over 5 and 2 over 5. Okay, now, because it said only one of them is children. Only one of them is children means, okay, if I go the first way up, Aini being children, then Sarah being children, this is both of them is being children. It's not. I want only one of them. So I will go, if Aini being children, this one will not be children. So this one is 7 over 12 multiple 2 over 5. Alright, then is Aini not being children? We have to choose Sarah. Then only call only one of them. So 5 over 12 multiple 3 over 5. The last one, Aini not being children and Sarah also not being children. So this one cannot. This one is neither of them. So we only get these two, right? So we plus together. So we plus together. This is what I say when top go to bottom we plus. This way we multiply, this way we plus. Okay, if you can understand very good about tree diagram, this one shouldn't have problem. So B is very simple probability for only one of them will be 7 over 12 multiple 2 over 5. This one is for Aini, children, Sarah not being children. Okay, plus this one 5 over 12 multiple 3 over 5. This one is for Sarah being children only. Alright, then you just use calculator to multiply. This is 14 over 60 plus this one will be 15 over 60. So the answer is 29 over 60. Okay, this is the probability that only one of them being children. Okay, if the exam suddenly asks, find the probability that both of them is children. So when both of them is children, then you have to take this category. Both of them is children. So then I'm going to write something like this. Probability for both of them is children. Yeah, right finish will equals to 7 over 12 multiple 3 over 5. Yeah, then you got 21 over 60. Okay, this is what happens when both of them is being children. But then you must be careful. Probability you must simplify until minimum. So this one you can still divide it by 3. So it's 7 over 20. 7 over 20. Alright, we always have to make sure we simplify for our probability. Yeah. So I hope this question will give you some basic understanding. However, I will use few more to make sure you fully understand about how to use tree diagrams. Okay, let's have a look on this one. Take a new paper, just wait for a while. Oops, sorry. Okay, for these questions, okay, the probability that Hamid is qualified for the final of the track event is 2 over 5. While the probability that Mohan is qualified is 1 over 3. So over here I'm going to write down the probability. Okay. Probability for harness will be qualified will be 205. So I know when harness is not qualified will be 1 minus 2 over 5, which is 3 over 5. Alright, and then probability for Mohan will qualify will be 1 over 3. So which is when Mohan is not qualified will be 2 over 3, because just 1 minus 1 over 3. Alright, you got this simple information. Later you're going to use it to draw tree diagram. If you understand, actually no need to draw tree diagram also can, but then if you couldn't understand, you better draw. Find the probability that both of them qualify for the final exam. So means, okay, let me draw tree diagram. Okay, this one for Hamid, this one for Mohan. So I'm going to draw 2 lines for the first step. So yeah, Hamid being qualified is 2 over 5. So Hamid not qualified will be 3 over 5. So and then I draw 2 lines again. Okay, Mohan qualified, Mohan not qualified, Mohan qualified, Mohan not qualified. This is 1 over 3, this is 2 over 3. So this one will be 1 over 3 again, this one will be 2 over 3 again. Alright, so when he say both of them is qualified for the final, means Hamid being qualified and same to the Mohan. So it's this combination. So AU is very simple. Yeah, probability for both of them is being qualified. You just write all lah. So equals to 2 over 5 multiple 1 over 3. Because it's this combination. Both of them being, both of them is qualified lah. Both of them qualified for the final. So you just solve it. You got, you got 2 over 15. This is the answer. Alright. B. Only one of them qualified for the final. So means what? When Hamid is qualified, I'll write it again. Okay, means only one of them means when Hamid is qualified. Oops, take the wrong marker. Okay, then Mohan will be not qualified. Okay, if Mohan qualified, Hamid will be not qualified. Or you can write Hamid not qualified, Mohan qualified. Alright, so this one will make you understanding it better. So now probability for only one of them, you write finish lah, will equals to, okay, the first one I take, okay, now I take the top part first. Means when Hamid is qualified, then I have to multiple the bottom one. Okay, so it's over here will be 2 over 5 multiple 2 over 3. Okay? Okay, when Hamid is not qualified, Mohan have to be qualified. It's 3 over 5 multiple 1 over 3. Alright, so I'm going to plus them together. Alright, so I will got 2 over 5 multiple 2 over 3 plus 3 over 5 multiple 1 over 3. Alright, because I said top to bottom is plus, from this way move to this way is multiple. So therefore, I will got this is 4 over 15 plus 3 over 15. So you got 7 over 15. Done. Okay? I hope this example is very similar to last example. I purposely put 2 similar examples together to make you understand better about how to draw tree diagram. Of course, you can try to draw Mohan first. It doesn't matter. You can Mohan qualified, Mohan not qualified. But then the second part over here, you just need to make sure if you draw Mohan here is Hamid qualified, Hamid not qualified, Hamid qualified, Hamid not qualified. And then you calculate using the same methods, you got the same answer, I'm sure. Alright. Then we're going to see something different. Okay, have a look on this example. Not to say different, but then just slightly different. Okay? Okay, if you ask me about how important is this chapter, I would say it's not really very important if compared to the chapters like probability distribution, compared to the chapter like integration, differentiation, geometric coordinate. This one is, because this one only will give you 5 marks to 4 to 5 mark maximum for both paper. Yeah, this one normally only come out in paper 1. Yeah, so I don't think this chapter is very important, but then yeah, somehow 4 to 5 marks is important for students who want to get A. So yeah, So just want to make sure you learn it as well. Even it's not so important, but yeah, it's important also. Okay, have a look at this question. A box contains 20 chocolates. 5 of the chocolates are black. So I'm going to write here 5 is black. And then he says 15 will be 15 are white. Okay, we got 20 chocolate, 5 is black, 15 is white. Chocolate favorite. 2 chocolates are taken at the random from the box. Find the probability that both chocolates are black. Okay, in these cases, okay, because you only have black and white. Okay, so how I'm going to draw my tree diagram is, okay, in these cases, you see, you need to take 2 chocolate. So I assume I will take one in one time. So this one, I'm going to change the method. Is now this one is the first time. I will take first, or I say first chocolate. Over here is the second chocolate. Okay, got the idea? Okay, so I'm going to draw my tree diagram is like this. Okay, I get black, I get white. Means I randomly choose from 20. It's a possible I get black or white. But the second chance I withdraw again, is still I have the possibility to get black and white. This one is black and white. Alright. But then something's very important over here is, okay, first we have to find out, we have total. What is our total? We have 20 chocolate. So the probability that we will get black is 5 over 20. Probability that we will get white chocolate is 15 over 20. Alright, I'm going to fill in here. I will get black is 5 over 20. I will get white chocolate is 15 over 20. Alright, now the problem over here is, after you first draw, okay, what is the first chocolate means over this part? Okay, now have a look at this part. Okay, when over here means the first chocolate I get is black color. If I go to the bottom one, means the first chocolate I get is white color. Okay, it was slightly different in the second part compared to the last 2 examples. The second part is exactly the same, but this one is slightly different. You imagine, if the first chocolate I get is black, now I have 5 black, right? So the second time, if I want to get black again, the total, the 5 will become 4 chocolate because I already get 1 from here. So here actually 5, you minus 1, you got 4. Okay, if I get 1 chocolate already, the total will still left 19. Because top you have to minus 1, bottom you have to minus 1. Okay, but then what happened to the white? If the first chocolate I get is black, my white is still remain 15. No change. So it's 15 over, total is still 19. Because total, no matter you get black or white in the first time, the total sure will left 19 only. Impossible total will got 20 because you already take 1 chocolate out. Okay, you can imagine, right? Okay, what happened if, okay, now my first chocolate is not black, my first chocolate is white. So I know my white here will minus 1, left 14. Total will minus 1 also because I take out 1 chocolate over here. So it's 14 over 19. So black is still have 5 because this is the second time, this is the first time I get is white. So my black is remain 5. But then total is 19 of course because we take 1 from here already. Okay, this is the way you must be able to imagine. Alright, then only you can start to do. He said both chocolates are black. Then it's very easy. Both chocolates are black, so I just black and black. So here to here is multiple, right? So it will be 5 over 20 multiple 4 over 19. Alright, this is A. Okay, just black and black. Okay, so A will be probability that both chocolate will be black. Will be 5 over 20 multiple 4 over 19. Just simplify 1 and 5. Yeah, 1 and 1. So answer is 1 over 19. Alright, this is simple if you can draw the tree diagram correctly. Okay, if you can't, yeah, you just do it step by step. You just imagine, you take one black chocolate first time, so your black chocolate in the second time still left 4. Total is, of course, have to minus 1. You take first time you get black, white will remain. If the first time you get white, black will remain, white will minus 1. Okay? Yeah, it's actually not really hard to understand. Yeah, for B, the chocolate taken of different flavor. Different flavor means what? If the first I take black, the second time I have to take white. This one called different flavor. Is the first time I got white, second time I have to get black. Alright? Yeah, so this one is not really hard, so I'm going to use the red markers to represent the B. Okay, so I will need this combination and this combination. White, black, black, white. I cannot get black, black or white, white unless you say both chocolate taken are same color. Then it's black, black plus white, white. Alright, so this one is very simple. Yeah, okay, let me do B. Okay, B is probability for different color. Okay, you're going to finish it yourself. Alright, so will be this one multiple this one. 5 over 20 multiple 15 over 19. Plus this one multiple this one. 15 over 20 multiple 5 over 19. Okay, and then you press your calculator, you got 1, you got 4. Okay, so will be 15 over this one, 4 multiple 19 will be 36, 76. Plus, same to this one, this is 1, this is 4. So it will be 15 over 76. So yeah, plus together, you got 30 over 76. However, I said probability you must simplify until the minimum. So yeah, this one we can still simplify. Yeah, no place where I write answer over here. So this one, let's divide it by 2. This is 15. This one will be 38. Yeah, can it divide by 3? Yeah, this is final answer will be 15 over 38. Okay, it's not really hard, but then because this is one of the famous question in the exam. Sometimes they will use different color ball, and then he will say he take the first ball without replacements. Without replacement, then that means your second time the value will affected. If he say replacement, means the second time will still remain the same. So, but then in these cases, it's so obvious what? Because you choose chocolate, impossible you choose one, you put it back again. Because when you choose one, you put it back again, it's same as you never choose anything. Yeah, so for this one, you have to straight away imagine out something like this. You must be able to think it logically. Alright? Okay, before I end this video, I'm going to show the last example. Yeah, actually this one is easy or similar also. Okay, let us have a look on this one. Okay, now you got 3 different color of card. Black, you got 5 black cards, 4 blue cards, and 3 yellow cards. Okay, 2 cards are drawn at a random from the box. Find the probability that both cards of the same color. Okay, when he says both cards are drawn, because here he never say replacement or not replacement, and then in these cases, you imagine if you need to take both same color, is it possible you put it back again? Okay, it's not possible. This is something like you have to imagine you got 2 black cards on hand. You got 2 black cards on hand, or like 2 green cards on hand. So you have to take it without replacement. Alright. So in these cases, you have to think logically. This is not replacement. Okay. However, in these cases, I try to do it without tree diagram. Okay, because some students might think it's quite hard for them to draw tree diagram. Okay, if you do not want to draw tree diagram, you must be able to imagine it very good. Alright, so first I find out the total first. The total is very important for probability. So total will be 5 plus 4 plus 3. Total will be 12. So I'm going to call this one total is 12. Alright, so if I got total already, it's very easy for me to get the probability for black. So 5 over total, 5 over 12. Okay, this is 4 over 12. This is 3 over 12. Okay, this probability is for my first time. If the first time I get the black is 5 over 12. First time I will get the blue is 4 over 12. The first time I will get yellow is 3 over 12. How about second time? Okay, if I get the black color, and then I do not want to put it back, so my black will minus 1. And then of course total, I will minus 1. Same to if I get the blue. I want to get blue again. I only left 3 blue over here. And total will be left 11. Same to last one. If the first card I get is yellow, I want to get yellow again. I still left 2 yellow cards. And the total is 11. Okay? All multiple together, then I will got my final answer. So I multiples together, I will got here is, alright, okay, let me just multiple first, 20 over this 121, I guess, yeah. This one will be 12 over 121, and this one will be 6 over 121. Okay, just plus them together, 20, 26, this 18 will be 38 over 121. Alright, so this is the probability for both will get the same color. Alright, if you understand, then okay, now I draw the tree diagram. Okay, this time you got 3 colors, so it's a bit difficult. Okay, so I'm going to call this one first card. And I'm going to draw again for second card. Alright, I got black, I got blue, okay, I put a dot for blue lah, and yellow. Okay, black the first time is 5 over 12, blue will be 4 over 12, and yellow will be 3 over 12. Alright, okay, the second time, when the first time you draw is like 3 division, second time you have 3 division for all. Alright, this is so important to understand about the tree diagram. If the first time is 2 division, you have to depend on the case lah. This one do not say must happen like this. Okay, you have to understand about the case and then you have to draw it. I recommend you to do more practice about this one. Okay, so I got the black, blue, yellow, black, blue, yellow, black, blue, and yellow. Alright, so now imagine. Okay, this is important in the second part. Okay, if first card I get is black, so my black will minus 1, total minus 1. But then my blue will remain. I have 4 cards of blue, right? 4 over 11. My yellow is remain 3 over 11. Okay, if the first card I get is blue, means my blue will minus 1, 3 over 11. The others will remain 5 over 11. But total is obviously is minus 1 already, because no matter what color you get, total is sure minus 1 already. 12 minus 1 is 11. Alright, so first I get is blue, so yellow is remain 3 over 11. Okay, if the first card I get is yellow, so here yellow have to minus 1 is 2 over 11. So this one is remain 4 over 11. This one is remain is 5 over 11. Alright, so the good part about tree diagram is if you got A and B, B is something like both cards must be different color. Then you have to black multiple blue, black multiple yellow, blue multiple black, blue multiple yellow, and then yellow multiple black, yellow multiple blue. This is for different color. However, in these cases it's simple. It asks must be same color. So black and black, this combination, blue and blue, this combination, and yellow with yellow, this combination. Okay, this is for same colors. Yeah, so it's very easy. So this one will be 5 over 12 multiple 4 over 11. This one will be 4 over 12 multiple 3 over 11. This is something like over 3 over 12 multiple 2 over 11. Then you plus them together, you got the same answer as mine. Alright, I'm going to end this video here. I hope hope this video can help you understand more about probability. However, probability really needs a lot of logical thinking. Yeah, you need to think logically, and then you have to practice more. Okay? Yes. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. I hope this video really helped you. Thank you.